First introduced in 2001, the J-Flight travel trailer has been one of the longest-running, most successful RV brands ever. The J-Flight combines Jayco's legendary construction with the most popular floor plans and unique features tailored to family camping trips. You'll find a new friction hinge entry door with window that eliminates the need for plastic door latches, marine-grade exterior speakers, backup and side marker camera prep, a detachable power cord for convenient setup and teardown, as well as a new Winegard Air 360 digital TV and radio antenna. Quality construction and safety starts with the strong foundation found in Jayco's integrated A-frame. Tongue-and-groove plywood floor decking, American-made Goodyear Endurance tires, and galvanized steel wheel wells. In addition to our industry-leading Magnum Truss roof system, the J-Flight boasts our J-Smart exterior LED lighting. This invaluable feature notifies those around you of your driving intentions. Interior features include designer carefree linoleum throughout, including slide doors, brand new kitchen backsplash, and seamless counter design. A low-profile range hood, real hardwood cabinet doors with screwed-style cabinetry, and standard skylight with shade in the kitchen to welcome additional natural light. Fresh interior design choices for 2022 and smart RV technology are sure to keep J-Flight among the most sought-after trailers on the market.
Check out the full line of Jayco products from America's top Jayco dealer at valleyrvsupercenter.com.